In 2008 I purchased this Ace Card 2 for my DS Lite, which essentially is an SD card with some software that can run all my games. You copy all your NDS files onto the micro SD card and pop that into the DS Lite and you have access to your whole library. And then one day it suddenly stopped working. So I purchased this. Inside we have a USB to micro SD adapter and the R4 card itself in this modern wood grain finish. And it came with a 16GB micro SD card installed. Now installation is very simple, it slots straight into where the game pack goes with a satisfying snap. However, you will need software to let the DS make sense of what's installed and to locate your files. Once you've downloaded the software and installed the file structure, it will look something like this. Just copy all your game files into the folder called DS ROMs, and then copy the whole folder onto the micro SD card. Now as you can see, I've taken all my games which were on the Ace Card 2 and copied them across to the folder, so you'll see some .sav files, but don't worry if you don't see those. And now for the moment of truth. Let's power on the DS Lite and check it out. Click on the section above PictoChat, and there we have it, all your library at your fingertips. Let's see how it plays. Okay, so it feels pretty good and responsive. Let's try classic Mario Kart. Well, that was pretty satisfying. Let's try some Mario Tetris. Well, that experiment was a success. Now I have years of gaming that I need to catch up on. I hope you enjoyed that short video. There are a couple of other short videos up on the screen for you, but what I really would like is for you to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for updates on all new content.